right, bring it in slow.
Bay 4 is clear. Move the forklift.
Looks like garbage is actually a valuable resource, polyethylene terephthalate, or as the industry calls it, PET plastic. The journey from trash to textile is complex and strictly monitored. First, we must remove contaminants that could ruin the final fabric.
Magnets and air jets separate ferrous metals from the plastic stream.
Rotating sieves tumble the load, shaking loose dirt and glass. Optical scanners identify the chemical signature of every single bottle.
High-speed air jets kick out anything that isn't pure PET.
Only the correct plastic remains, ready for the next aggressive phase. Labels and caps are often made of different materials and must go. A final human check ensures 99.9% purity before shredding. The bottles have reached the point of no return.
Powerful blades grind the plastic into confetti-sized flakes.
These flakes are the raw DNA of your future clothing.
But they are still dirty. They enter a hot, caustic wash. Boiling water and chemicals strip away glue, dirt, and bacteria.
Temperature control is critical to clean without melting the plastic.
Rinsed and scrubbed, the flakes are now food-grade clean. Physics handles the rest. PET plastic is denser than water and sinks. Floating cap material is skimmed off, leaving only pure polyester.
Moisture is the enemy of the melting process, so dryness is paramount. Tons of clean flakes are stored here, awaiting the furnace.
Now begins the alchemy, turning plastic chips into liquid gold. Gravity feeds the flakes into the extruder's heated barrel.
At 270 degrees Celsius, the plastic melts into a viscous syrup.
Microfilters catch any microscopic particles that survive the wash.
Extruded as long strands, it hits cold water to solidify instantly.
These solid strands are then pulled into the pelletizer.
Chopped into uniform pellets, we call this recycled PET chip. These chips are the universal currency of the recycled textile world. The journey continues at the fiber mill, where plastic becomes thread. The coarse chips will be transformed into microscopic fibers. Once again, the chips are melted, but with much higher precision. The molten liquid is forced through a spinneret with thousands of tiny holes.
Emerging as filaments finer than a human hair.
Cool air solidifies them before they are bundled together. Fibers are stretched on heated rollers to align their molecules. This stretching process gives the polyester its incredible strength. We crimp the fiber to give it texture and volume, like wool. Cut into short lengths, it now mimics the feel of natural cotton.
Baled and ready, this eco-fiber heads to the spinning mill. Carding machines comb the tangled fibers into a single direction. The gossamer web is condensed into a soft, loose rope called sliver.
Rows of sliver cans feed the ring spinning frames. High-speed twisting binds the fibers into strong, usable yarn.
Operators monitor thousands of spindles simultaneously, ensuring the production line continues without a single pause. Automation keeps the process moving 24/7.
The weaving hall, where thread becomes fabric. Airjet looms shoot thread across the warp at 1,000 picks per minute.
With every beat, the fabric grows millimeter by millimeter. For t-shirts, circular knitting machines create a seamless tube.
Thousands of needles interlock loops with microscopic precision.
The raw fabric, called grège, is inspected for any dropped stitches.
It's perfect, but it lacks color. Off to the dye house.
Fabric circulates in a high-pressure loop, absorbing the color.
Heat locks the color molecules into the polyester fiber forever.
Merging transformed, the fabric is now vibrant and color-fast.
Stenter frame stretches and dried the fabric to its final width.
Heat setting ensures the fabric won't shrink in your washing machine.
Dry, smooth, and stable. Ready for the cutting table.
The sewing floor, the heartbeat of the garment factory. The hanging rail system keeps the garment off the floor.
Seams are stress tested. Any weakness means rejection.
High-pressure steam pressing gives the garment its final crisp shape.
The brand seal is applied, a mark of sustainable quality. The hang tag tells the story. 100% recycled materials.
Flip, flip, done.
sealed in protective packaging, ready for the world. One last safety check to ensure no broken needles remain. Twisted to ensure the glass and frame hold together.
Robotic arms build perfect pallets for stability during transit.
Wrapped in film to protect against moisture and dust.
Off to the loading dock.
Thousands of garments fill the container, floor to ceiling.
The doors close on the manufacturing chapter. From the factory to the distribution center.
Crossing oceans to reach your local store.
Logistics networks work tirelessly around the globe. Sorted at lightning speed in modern fulfillment centers. The final mile, arriving at a retail destination near you. Unboxed and prepped for the sales floor.
Placed among the new collection.
A choice that makes a difference.
Adopted by a new owner.
Taking home not just a shirt, but a story of sustainability.
The same molecules that once held soda now provide comfort.
From waste to wardrobe. And when you recycle, you keep the loop alive. Shoes, bags, carpets. The possibilities are endless.